If you say that you want to celebrate the automotive industry, you're going to have to show where the automotive industry came from, and that is the vintage and car classics. And a show like this has to have the smell, the feel, the touch of old vintage cars. Because in the old vintage and car classic, you can still smell the oil in the car, and you can still feel the designs that were used in the past. And we are very fortunate that we have a lot of very excited car clubs that are going to come to the show and going to have parades at the track, but also going to then display what they deem to be their most interesting and their most valuable cars that you can find in the country. We have a fantastic selection of vehicles. Actually, we had to make a choice because we had so many people that wanted to display their vehicles. We actually had to make a choice, and we had a fantastic selection process to see who can come onto the show and display their vehicles. So it's a real eye candy for people that love cars.